హలో ఎవ్రీవన్. పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 11 మనకు సర్కిల్స్ టాపిక్ నుంచి ఒక 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేస్తాడు. ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్స్లో వచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. సీ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇఫ్ 4x minus 3y plus 7 equals 0 is tangent to the circle, then find the point of contact. Given that a line is tangent to a circle, there is a circle and for which a line is called tangent. Suppose that this is the tangent to the given circle. Then here it is required to find the point of contact. This is point of contact. Suppose that P. When the equation of circle is given, you can easily find center by the formula minus g comma minus f. After getting the center, see here, when you drop a perpendicular from point C to the line, then it is very clear that the point P is point of contact, particularly that is foot of the perpendicular drawn from center to the line. So using foot of the perpendicular theorem, we can find point of contact. Yes. Given data, I am going to write first. S is given by circle equation S, second degree, x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. And from this you can write center. Center formula minus g comma minus f, minus half into coefficient of x, minus half into coefficient of x, comma minus half into coefficient of y. So that what we get? Center 3 comma minus 2. Next, given line whose equation 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Yes. Clearly, foot of the perpendicular. Let P is point of contact. When it is point of contact, it is foot of the perpendicular drawn from center to the line L equal to 0. You know that foot of the perpendicular theorem, that is h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. Using this formula, we can find point of contact. Here h comma k is foot, that is point of contact, and center x1 y1, and the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now h minus x1 means h minus 3, k minus y1, that is k plus 2. Next, minus of ax1, that is 4 times of 3, 4 into 3. Next, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 7 divided by a square plus b square, coefficient of x whole square plus coefficient of y whole square, and a comma b here 4 3. Now On simplification it is h minus 3 divided by 4 equal to k plus 2 divided by 3 equal to minus of denominator part 25 and numerator 12 plus 7 19, 19 plus 6 25. Outside you have negative sign, so that h minus 3 divided by 4 equal to k plus 2 divided by 3 equal to minus 1. Simplify this, we get h comma k, that is point of contact. H minus 3 become minus 4, k plus 2 become minus 3, h equal to minus 4 plus 3, k equal to minus 3 minus 2. Therefore h value minus 1, k value minus 5. H comma k minus 1 comma minus 5. This is required point of contact. That's all. So to find the point of contact, here we need to use foot of the perpendicular theorem, remember. Move to the next question. Find the equation of tangent and normal at 3, 2 of the circle x square plus y square minus x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. 9 plus 4, 9, 9, 3, 6. Okay, right. Equation of tangent and equation of normal at 3, 2 on the circle, that is, this is the circle, and it is required to find tangent as well as normal. Next I am going to draw a tangent. Suppose this is tangent. This one is called normal. S. Given point P here, 3, 2 and circle S equal to 0. This is center. Normal always passes through center of the circle, remember. Center minus G comma minus F. And from the given circle, since S is x square plus y square minus x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0, center can be written as minus half into coefficient of x minus half into coefficient of y. That is center 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. This is center. 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2 is center. Normal passing through 2 points P and C. P coordinates 3, 2, C coordinates 1 by 2, 3 by 2. You can find by 2-point form. Next, you know that when S equal 0 is given, point form of tangent simply S1 equal to 0. So using S1 equal to 0, you can find tangent. Let us see how to find tangent first. I am going to write, since point form of tangent is S1 equal to 0, implies you can write xx1 plus yy1 minus x is there, x by 2 minus x1 by 2, half of minus x written as minus x by 2 minus x by 2, in which 1 x is replaced with x1. You have minus 3y. Minus 3y you can split minus 3 by 2y minus 3 by 2y. So minus 3 by 2y minus 3 by 2 y1 you can write. Minus 4 equal to 0. Now substitute the point. Here the point P 3 comma 2. 3x 2y. In place of y1 we need to write the point whose coordinates 3 comma 2. Minus x by 2 minus 3 by 2. Next minus 3 by 2y minus 3 by 2 y1 value 2 minus equal to 0 implies 3x plus 2y minus x by 2. Next here 2 gets cancelled, remaining minus 3 by 2y minus of 4 plus 3 by 2. This is actually minus 4 minus 3, so minus common 7. 7 plus 3 by 2 it is equal to 0. Therefore I can write 6x plus 4y minus x minus 3y minus 17 equal to 0. And on simplification it is 5x plus y minus 17 equal to 0. This is equation of tangent. Next we go for equation of normal. Normal equation, normal passing through center of the circle as well as P. Since normal passing through center and P, I am going to use 2-point form. Implies you can write x, y, 1, x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, determinant part equal to 0, gives the equation of normal. Yes, here x, y, 1, x1, y1, center coordinates 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1. Next two coordinates 3, 2, 1. It is equal to 0. X, y, 1, 1, 1, 2. Next 3, 2, 1. Determinant equal to 0. Here multiplying both the sides with 2, it is 1, 1, 2. Now solve this. X into 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus y into 1 minus 6 minus 5. Next plus 1 into 2 minus 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Implies what we get? Minus 3x plus 5y minus 1 equal to 0. Or you can write 3x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. This is equation of normal.